Hey, what's up, HISD family? My name is Nathan, registered dietitian. It's my show today, HISD Cafe. We are making fridge pickles. It's National Nutrition Month. We're talking preservation. Let's get going. All right, today I am joined by the one and only Chef Brittany. Welcome, welcome. What are your thoughts on pickles?
I love pickles. You know, I didn't even know that they were cucumbers for the longest time.
A lot of people don't. Did y'all know that? Yeah, so the traditional pickle is gonna be a cucumber. We're making a pretty classic dill pickle. Got a couple little tricks in the mix.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you started with the ingredients that we have here.
Okay.
We have these cute little mini cukes. These are my favorite for pickling. They're more delicate. The skin is not so waxy and leathery.
Okay.
So our brine can really permeate through there. A little bit of garlic. If you're not a garlic fan, leave it out. I happen to love it. We have our little spice blend. So go into your spice cabinet, get whatever you may have acquired for past recipes and just throw them all together. We have some black peppercorn, mustard seed, fennel seed, which is my personal favorite, little caraway, which is classic, human seed. You can throw some chili flakes in there for spice, fresh herbs, dill, of course, but then we have a little bit of tarragon.
Okay, tarragon.
Right, we're gonna reinforce that fennel kind of anise licorice flavor, which is my favorite.
Okay.
So we're going that route today. I'm gonna get you packing our jars.
Yes,
right?
I'm
so for our
packer
pickles,
today.
we're doing them in a jar. This is a finished product that we have here. It's been cooking for a couple weeks. I want you to pack them in there tight.
Okay,
right?
so
Leave
as many as I can?
As many as you can. We want them in there. We want maximum pickling action. Make sure you have a little bit of room for our herbs, other ingredients. For y'all at home, use whatever sounds good to you. I happen to like a little bit zippier of a pickle, but if you want something more subdued, kind of cater it to whatever taste you have going on. All right?
Awesome.
In our pot here is our brine. So brine is gonna be the flavoring liquid that is working with our pickles. Pickle purists will tell you that this is not actually a pickle. True pickling happens with fermentation.
Yes.
So lactic acid fermentation. We're gonna skip that route because it's not as friendly for the home cook.
Right.
We're gonna go the brine route. All right, we got our cukes. We got our cukes, they're jammed in there.
Yes.
Let's get our other goodies kind of in the mix.
Okay.
Put some cloves in there, fit in the herbs, and we're just gonna sprinkle over our spices. These same spices we have featured in our brine. Our brine is vinegar, water, salt, sugar, spices. We got a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar and water. You like a pickle that's a little less acidic, cut that down. You can really cater it to whatever you want. I like a little bit sweeter of a pickle, so we got extra sugar in there, but if you want that toned down, tone it down.
Now, after we eat these pickles, are we able to use the brine again?
Absolutely, toss this in. I know that you're a fan of making homemade dressings, right?
I do.
Add a little bit of oil to this, maybe an emulsifier.
Okay.
Throw that on a salad, you're ready to rip.
Okay,
Yeah,
awesome. Okay, and I need to stuff this in there too?
Yeah, jam some our fresh herbs in there.
Okay, let me get this
Whatever herbs y'all have on hand. I love pickles. They're so versatile. They add that pop of acid to whatever you got going on.
So I'm stuffing up my jars here.
Yeah, it's a work of art. This is a great way to get the kids engaged. So if y'all have kiddos at home that like to cook, make some pickles.
Yes,
I'm gonna transport our brine a little bit closer.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you do this. You're gonna scoop and then just ladle in some of our brine. This brine is kind of a little warm, a little tepid, room temp. We don't want it too hot, but we want it warm enough to where it's gonna really permeate our pickles.
And then how full am I making it?
You want those cukes covered. We want everybody fully submerged, right? Okay. These are gonna be sitting for a while, so we, of course, are thinking of bacteria. Most bacteria are aerobic, meaning they like oxygen. So if we can cover all of our ingredients with water, it means there's not gonna be any oxygen for our bacteria to thrive in.
A little splash. Okay,
wonderful, wonderful.
Okay, there
beautiful. Now we're gonna screw on our caps finger tight. We don't want them packed in there. Our brine is warm, so as it cools, it's gonna kind of tighten that jar naturally. But just like that, our pickles are jarred and now they are ready to pickle, right? We gotta pickle our pickles. These are gonna go in the fridge at least 24 hours to really let that brine permeate into our cucumber. But these will keep for upwards of a month, even later, yeah. So you got cukes you don't know what to do with, you don't have to know what to do with them, just pickle them.
Sounds good. So we made our fresh pickles today with cucumbers. You guys can make it with any other vegetables, I heard.
Absolutely.
Yes, and these are good to go. So are we ready to taste?
I would love to taste. I'm gonna crack open this jar. Now these pickles have been going for, I wanna say a solid month, right? They take on a different color. They look like those ones you find in the supermarket.
They do.
We're gonna pull these bad boys out of there.
Okay,
and I just like to eat it like you would. Like a snack and pickle. Right? Cheers.
Pickle cheers. Okay.
That's
a little sweet to it.
I like a little sweet, and right, it still has that crunch. You want a pickle with body.
I need a crunchy pickle. I can't do a non-crunchy pickle, okay?
I could eat these all day.
Well, 2-bite club, trying it 2 times.
I'm gonna join the 3-bite club.
Oh no, right?
Maybe the 4-bite club, shoot.
Let's eat it all up.
Well, thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you make pickles, let us know. Hit us up on social media. We look forward to hearing about your pickling adventures. Thanks, guys.
See you later.